This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ian Brewer, original owner in sought-after Sajo Farm community. This home has been well cared for and is in great condition. Enjoy morning coffee from your screened porch overlooking Lake Lawson. Features include a beautiful open floor plan with huge great room, gas fireplace, downstairs primary bedroom suite with dual sink vanity, separate shower, jetted tub. There is a large dining area and the kitchen has granite countertops with loads of cabinet space and attached 2-car garage. This gorgeous home gives you a carefree lifestyle. Lawn maintenance is done by condo association, some building maintenance also included. Sajo Farm community offers trails, canoe/kayak launch, clubhouse, pool, and workout facility. Conveniently located near interstate, airport, shopping, restaurants, and bases. For more information